Hi, you received the email from End-to-End Connect. Click on the link in your email to download TCPro installer. Click to install the TCPro. If system prompts a security message, click Yes. Kindly amend the install location on the destination folder box to C drive TCPro. Make sure the destination is correct before click Install. While installation complete, kindly click Show Detail to make sure the installation has been done 100% complete. Then close. Now, go to Computer on Start menu. Double-click C drive. Look for the TCPro folder. Double-click to continue. Again, double-click the TCPro version 5 folder. Right-click the tcpro.exe. Select Send to Desktop. Here you go.